Good day everyone, I am the second reporter. So first, I will introduce myself. My name is Jessica Pidinato. Topic is title slide, Formation Shape. Attack shape developed on July 2010, revised by March 2012, revised by Riddlin C. Angob, page 160 of 251. Learning objectives. Objectives after reading the information sheet, you must be able to first define the task shape. Task shape is focuses on performing one specific task. Example, dusting, big making. Describe procedural step for completing the task. One is differentiate a task shape from an operation shape. Operation shape focuses on operating a specific machine or equipment. Example, operating a vacuum cleaner or a floor polisher. Describe how to safely and correctly use equipment. A task shape teach what to do in the task, while operation shape teach how to operate tools or machine needed for work. One is differentiate a task shape from a job shape. Task shape contains the step for one individual task, narrow in scope. Example, bathroom cleaning only. Job shape contains all the tasks and operation required to complete an entire job. Broad in scope integrates several tasks and equipment operation. Example, cleaning entire checkout room. A job is combined of multiple tasks and operation, therefore a job shape is a comprehensive guide that everything needed to produce a complete service or output. Introduction to task shape. Information shape provide knowledge content, learning activities for skill acquisition needed step-by-step procedure for trains to follow. The goal is for trains to follow procedure and practice with minimal assistance. Task shape, operation shape, and job shape. Task shape, a set of instructions for a single task. Operation shape, a set of instructions for the operation or use of particular machine or equipment. Job shape, a set of instructions for the performance of a job. A job is a combination of tasks and or operation needed to develop a product or service. Example scenario, job cleaning, checkout room. Your paragraph tasks involve dusting, bed making, bathroom cleaning, floor cleaning. Operation involve operating a vacuum cleaner, operating a floor polisher. Training strategy. In training, it may be necessary to combine small tasks into job shape. This approach integrates previous skills with current tasks. This allows more practice to enhance skill retention and transfer. The structure, a good presentation typically has an introduction, a body, and conclusion. The content from the image has as the evaluation criteria, work, quality, speed, safety, etc. can form the body of the presentation. Plan. The structure include an introduction, body, and conclusion. Plan. The structure include an introduction, body, and conclusion. Plan. The structure include an introduction, body, and conclusion. Use appropriate tools. PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by Microsoft that allows users to create slideshow with graphics, animation, and multimedia. Other tools and AI-powered presentation makers are also available that can generate presentation from the text. Use proper tools. PowerPoint or any AI-powered presentation maker can help create will be designed slide with multimedia elements. Design effectively, use templates and clear layouts, and add visual like photos, chart, or diagrams. Avoid gently slide with too much text. Use font size. Last one is focus on engagement. The goal is to present information in an engaging manner while maintaining eye contact with the audience and highlighting important points. Focus on engagement. Maintain eye contact, highlight key points, and ensure the presentation supports rather than distract from the message.